What's up and welcome back. Say what's up and welcome back. Say it. So he just woke up from his afternoon nap, and then we are gonna go to Costco and then buy a hot dog, and then we're gonna go to Walmart from there.
And bread.
Yeah, and bread and ketchup and mustard.
Let's go. With
Yeah.
mustard.
You'll get it with the hot dog, and then we're gonna go to Walmart because we have a couple of things we need to get from both the stores. So
I love it.
You
But
love it?
I'm hungry.
Okay, let's go. He's hungry, so let's go. Okay.
Let's go buy hot dog.
Yeah, let me put on your socks. Alright, we are on our way to Costco first. We're gonna grab stuff from there and then hot dog because I don't wanna eat. And then we have somebody new in our vlog today. I don't know if you guys can see him.
Hey.
Yeah, there. So he's Mayank's cousin, and he is
Kushagra.
yeah, introduce yourself.
I'm Kushagra. I've come here for University of Michigan.
So he's here for MBA, and
Yeah.
He's in University of Michigan in the
Yeah.
School of Business. He's
Yeah.
my mom's youngest sister's son.
yeah, so first cousin basically.
Yes.
And we're also gonna take him to Costco. So basically he came like what, 4 weeks back?
He came here on
1 week
August
back.
4th.
He came on August 4th, and then he came straight to us. He was there. He was with us for like 3-4 days, and then he went to Michigan, and then he came back again before his classes start. So now he is here for like what, a week?
More than a little over
a
a
week.
8 days.
So we have enough time to make him taste so many amazing things, and then also to take him to different stores. So today we're taking him to Costco. From Costco we're gonna get a hot dog and other stuff for Aiden, and then we are gonna take him to H Mart so he can try the mozzarella sticks, the famous ones, and then we're gonna go to Walmart and grab some more stuff. So that's the plan for the day. Dinner we are doing at home and keeping it like simple and stuff. And what else do we have for today? Nothing more, right?
Yep.
Yep. And there is Aiden. What are you doing? Are you excited for hot dog?
And ketchup.
Hot dog and ketchup, yes, for sure.
Mustard and ketchup.
He wants hot dog, bun, mustard, and ketchup, everything, the whole deal. Home, I'll show you some stuff that we got. But before that, I have to bake 2 breads. Those are Ashley's. She was not home in time to bake the bread, so she gave me the dough, and then I just have to bake it.
And also, I want to say, we are going to introduce to you to the new member of the family, a permanent new member. So stay tuned.
Yep, we'll do it today.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it today. And then we got this keto bread from Costco, and they are like only 40 calories per slice. Can you imagine that? So we were very excited to try that. And then we ran out of body wash, body lotion, so we have that, and some more stuff that we got. We saw some new stuff, so we'll show you once I put the loaf in the
I put bread to bake in the oven.
yes.
She's eating worse today.
I am actually. Got this cheese slicer, right?
Yeah.
Cheese slicer from Walmart today.
You'll see
So
how
we-
it works.
yeah,
like
because-
how it goes.
Oh, it's like a wire.
Yep.
So basically we stopped getting shredded cheese because again you can research on your own, and then so we started getting bricks, so that's why like to cut it, I think
Yeah,
it'll be
this
easy.
will be easier.
Yeah,
We'll
to
let
try
you guys know how
Yeah.
worth it is, the money. And I'm making butter paneer and rice and roti for dinner.
Roti also?
Yeah.
Will you make
You
a
don't-
dough already?
Huh? No, I'm gonna make
You
it.
wanna carve this for the dough?
Oh yes.
Okay, let me take it out.
This one is 8.
Yeah, you can do it. So this is so she started making sourdough breads, and she also gave me the sourdough starter. So let's take it out here.
Do you need like a?
No, it's fine.
So you have to do this again right before
Just
it goes?
shape it, yeah, just shape it.
Then you keep it on top of that.
Parchment, yeah.
And now you have to dust it?
Yeah, with Thai rice flour. Or you can also do all-purpose flour. Here.
That's it?
Just a little dust, that's it. And carve it.
We're doing an A here, right?
Yeah, like a very stylish shape. Oh, nice. So we don't have a proper sourdough kit right now, but it's getting delivered tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Oh, you also have to order my box for the bread flour. You don't have to do double, baby, just once is fine.
But it came, right? This will work?
Yes, yes.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on us.
Alright guys, so Matar Paneer is cooking. I think it has 5 more minutes left to be done. This guy is playing over here. Finally Kushagra is free and he has let him go. And then we are gonna now be introducing you to the newest member of our family. But before that, I'm gonna tell you why and how this member came in our family. So like Tanya is baking bread for Ashley, 2 breads. But the dough and everything was already prepared by her. She has been working for last 8 days to create that starter kit. So she gave some to Tanya, which is over here. And you can see that it's already up to the top. So Tanya cannot feed the starter kit anymore. So, because she's gonna continue baking sourdough breads fresh at home, we had to get help from this new member. Otherwise, she cannot create the starter kit. So, I'm gonna take you guys to meet our newest member of the family, Lilavati.
So her name is Lilavati. She's going to be very beautiful once I put the starter in, and then she's gonna be forever member.
Yes, so basically this is the amount of starter that she's gonna be making, because she's gonna, every time she was telling me that she needs 100 grams to actually bake the bread. Yeah. So we were like, okay,
and that's just for one bread.
And that's just for one bread. So I mean, obviously she needs a bigger container so she can, because making the starter from the scratch is so much effort. So we definitely do not want to do it all over again. Thanks to Ashley that she already did this.
Yeah, I tried making starter from before, and then you have to be so specific with your time that I always mess it up.
Because she keeps forgetting to feed on time.
And so she made it and she gave me, and it made my life so much easier. Now I can just continue feeding it.
Yeah, and our plan is to like have Lilavati take care of it. So she's gonna be the dedicated member.
Yeah.
And as Tanya bakes amazing breads, you guys are gonna see those breads in our vlog, of course. So anyways, I think we are at almost 8 o'clock. This guy is not troubling us yet, but I have to go make his dinner now.
Alright, bread is almost done, paneer is done, and then we are just gonna start feeding Aiden. So this is one kind of matar paneer that Mayank's make in Instant Pot. It's literally my favorite kind of matar paneer that he ever makes. It's so simple, it's so delicious. What is that? I can eat the whole bowl and go sit in the bathroom after that. But anyways, oh, let me show you guys. Lilavati? Yeah. Let me show Lilavati. She is there. This is going to be her spot now. And I just fed her, and I'm gonna feed her every day at the same time. So yeah, she's there. I hope, hopefully slowly as you guys keep seeing her, she will grow into this beauty.
He was this tiny और उसको वॉक पे भाभी लेके बाहर निकली और घास में बैठ गया
ऐसे
फोटो है.
Ask him. Alexa, stop.
Okay. A दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा?
क्या?
A. चला गया ना?
No, I have no idea. नहीं दिख रहा.
This car कोई नहीं रहा था, कोई दिख ही रहा था. और दूसरी चीज मैंने एक बंदी को देखा कि स्कोरिंग के लिए योर ब्रेड शुड बी कंप्लीटली कवर्ड विद वाइट. मैं तुम्हें एक वीडियो दिखाऊंगा. आई माइट बी रॉन्ग.
अरे यार कैसे निकालूं इसको?
मैं निकाल.
ब्रेड खा सकते हो, ब्रेड खा डायरेक्ट.
वो इसी मंगाया देखा. दिखाएंगे कैसे
Alexa, set timer for 35 minutes. Look at this. Look at this beautiful bread. Wow.
You will always think in it.
Let me show you the new stuff that I got. Normally I get the which red sauce do we get from Costco normally? What's the brand name? Raghu?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but this time I saw this organic Victoria's and I heard good reviews about it, so I was like, let me try this. So we got 2 of these, and then we love Momofuku's chili crunch, and they had the bigger one, so we got that. And I don't know if you guys have not tried these. These are caramel s'mores clusters. They are mind-blowing and so addicting. So we got one of that, and then we also got one extra for him, for Kushak. And then we also saw this new. It's coconut bites with cacao nibs and dark chocolate. Sounds incredible. So we got these. And what else did we get? Babe, I have rice sheet, rice paper. I wanted to make one recipe. It's like a Vietnamese egg pizza or something. And then I was looking for this and I couldn't find it. But it's right here in front of my eyes and I couldn't find it the other day. And then also, let me tell you guys, this is we did not get it today, but we got it before from Costco. But this is the best potato chips I have ever eaten in my life, because I have tried so many and then none of them is even came anywhere near close to this one. This is like so good. Perfect crisp, perfect salt, no stale smell or anything. It's just very good. What else did we get? Oh yeah, for liability we got this 50-pound of bread flour. So
the loaves are baked. Let me show you. This is the jalapeno cheddar loaf. Look at that. And this one is just a sourdough loaf. So they both have came out really crunchy, really good. I was telling Ashley, I was teasing her that for some reason our ovens always the loaves come out half, because obviously I was gonna take the half in turn of baking it, but she was like, Tanya, don't let Mayank cut the loaf, I wanna cut it. So anyway,
I'm back up, baby, not here.
I'll show you once she cuts the loaf. Ashley is here.
That's actually perfect.
Look at that bread we got.
Oh, good.
We'll taste and see.
Yeah.
It looks good. Good. And
This is the jalapeno one.
Nitish is gonna cut this one. This is a really big loaf.
I know, I didn't weigh them out, so they're a little uneven. It's alright.
It's good because now you can cut them like this for using a slice. Oh, look at that, all that cheese and jalapenos. And this one is here.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, wow.
Done. Ivan is asleep. Mayang is taking Marvel out for pee real quick. And yeah, we're all super tired. Tomorrow is Saturday, so it's gonna be a new vlog tomorrow. There is Mayang. And no, just
Weather is nice.
yeah, weather is nice at this time, but we are super tired to go to bed. We're ready to go to bed now. And it's actually very nice. And look at the moon. It is so pretty. Where is it? There. Anyways, we'll see you guys in our next vlog, and until then, bye bye.